हे हेलो वेलकम। दोस्तों आज के वीडियोस में हम लोग एसक्यूएल फंक्शंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। जैसा कि आपको पता है एसक्यूएल फंक्शन एक सब प्रोग्राम है जो आपको एक वैल्यूज रिटर्न करता है। एसक्यूएल फंक्शंस में कुछ पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, उस पैरामीटर्स के बेस पे वो क्या करता है, वैल्यूज रिटर्न करता है। आप जो भी पैरामीटर्स ऐड करते हो, डिपेंड ऑन दैट पैरामीटर इट विल रिटर्न यू अ सिंगल वैल्यूज। रिमेंबर, इट विल रिटर्न यू अ सिंगल वैल्यूज। In SQL we have different types of functions. So that function is categorized in three majorly different categories. That is, the first one is that number functions. In that number functions, all functions are related to the numerical operations, just like ABS for making the values as a positive, for getting the cell, floor, mode, power, round, and truncate. And same as we have character function, that function is related to INSR, substring, instring, getting index of any character of that string, getting the substring from any string, lowercase, uppercase, and various things like you can see on the screen. And the same we have the third function as date function. That with the help of date function we can work on the date, we can change the format of date data type, we can make a string data type to a date data type, and various operations we can perform. So here you can see all these functions are listed here. So we'll create a separate videos where we will explain each and every functions in depth. So thank you so much for watching.